Supply chain is the sequence of activities that an organization goes through to create a product or service for their customer. So it's everything that adds value from purchasing all the way downstream to delivery.
I would say that supply chain is sort of the invisible other half of business. So you see, sort of the more open stuff, you got Wall Street and, CEOs and all that, but you have the COO position sort of, looked at as the second in command of the business.
One common misconception about supply chain is sometimes it's viewed as just transportation and logistics. It's really so much more than that. You have purchasing, you have manufacturing, you have scheduling your staff.
Last year, I interned for General Motors as a supply chain intern in their Flint, Michigan assembly plant. I was given the assignment of addressing a grievance filed by the union for underutilization of their supply trucks. My job was to go in and categorize every single one of them, and then I linked it in with their telemetry system and really gave them a top-down view of what they had in terms of their fleet and facility strength. Post-graduation, I'm hoping to work with General Motors, working at the Flint's assembly plant for a little while, and then exploring going into the more global supply chain side of things.
One of the things that I think is often surprising to the students is the degree to which there's not one correct answer, and becoming comfortable with some of that uncertainty, really thinking through your reasoning on a problem more than just trying to get to a single correct answer.